folks, I've got a mini 5-string to show you today. This is number 671. It's walnut and pistachio. For the rim, I mixed in some sapwood walnut with some really curly walnut, and it's a nice look. I really like it. And for the neck, it's got a little curl in it, and some beautiful color variations, and I put a special 3-part stripe in it, which really looks nice. And the pistachio, I really love the red section in the middle there. It's a subtle piece of pistachio compared to some of the crazier stuff, but I think it looks good. So this is an 8-inch rim, 17-inch scale, and then this customer wanted the thicker strings so they could tune it to open G like a regular banjo. These have been popular with folks with smaller hands or smaller bodies or injuries or mobility issues. They can play their regular banjo music but in a smaller package. So, excuse me. Yeah, turned out great. Love the tone. So that's number 671. Cheers.